My name is Igor turlukhtun, explorer, adventurer, and a guy who ends up in some interesting places. With a degree in journalism and filmmaking, I traveled to the ends of the earth investigating the greatest places in the world. This is Igor Travels the World. Day 7, finally our van broke down. But good thing that Long is an amazing driver and an amazing mechanic. I'm sure he'll have it up and running just like that. I'm trying not to spook the horses. So today has been one of our longest driving days. I think we've done easily more than 250 kilometers. But it's such a huge difference in the terrain. I mean, just yesterday we were in the middle of the Gobi Desert with sand dunes and everything was dead too. Look at this. This giant river here and green lush land. It's awesome the way the terrain changes just over the next hill. It's absolutely marvelous. Alright everybody, so here we have some yak yogurt, also known as tart. So this was actually made locally by the family that lives here, so let's give it a try. Oh, it is tart. It kind of hits you, but it's good. And you can add sugar to it, but I'm not gonna. So, yeah.